Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jaspinder Kaur, Consultant Radiation Oncologist at Cancer Centers of America, Ludhiana. There are no such specific preparations for the mammography to be done. It depends on the procedure, what kind of mammography which is being done for the patient. So as such, no specific preparations from the patient end is required. So this is one of the most common questions which people have pertaining to the screening mammography, that what is the radiation dose, or is there any complications or any side effects from the mammography they can expect. So I would say no, because the dose which is given for the screening mammography or diagnostic mammography as such is very low dose radiation. So it is very much safe if we weigh the risk versus the benefit. The benefit we are going to get out of the screening test is much more as compared to any side effects the patient has to worry about. The results of the mammography, whether it is mammography or sonomammography or MRI breast, whichever screening modality is being followed, the results of the test are usually available within the same day.